We hit the water with 5 of the most talked about spinning reels of 2025, from finesse-based setups to saltwater powerhouses. These aren't just spec sheet reviews, we actually fished with them. Whether you're casting from a kayak, jigging offshore, or chasing trout in a stream, these reels deliver. Let's break down the top performers we tested ourselves. The VANFORD A is built for precision. We tested the VFC 3000X GA model with finesse rigs and light fluorocarbon, and its low startup inertia made every cast feel effortless. Shimano's Infinity X Ross and Infinity Drive Tech gave us buttery smooth retrieves, and the Duracross drag held up against aggressive strikes. It's incredibly lightweight, responsive, and perfect for bass anglers who rely on subtle presentations. Check the description for the VANFORD A link. It's the reel that makes finesse fishing feel like an art form. We've used the Stradic FL in both freshwater and saltwater, and it's consistently reliable. The micro module, Gear 2, and silent drive system make it one of the smoothest reels we've ever tested. It's ambidextrous, lightweight, and built with Shimano's Hagen gear for long-term durability. Whether you're fishing rivers for trout or casting heavy lures for inshore species, the Stradic FL delivers power and precision. Tap the description for the Stradic FL link. It's the reel that adapts to any fishing style. The Tatula MQ LT is a workhorse. We tested it on smallmouth bass and inshore redfish, and its one-piece monocoque Zion V-body kept flex to a minimum. The DigiGear system gave us solid cranking power, and the air-drive rotor made retrieves feel light and balanced. It's ideal for anglers who want a compact reel that doesn't compromise on strength. Hit the description for the Tatula MQ LT link. It's the reel that's light, tough, and ready for battle. This reel is built for war. We tested the Slammer IV on a boat targeting big jacks and snapper, and its IPX6 sealed body and CNC brass gears handled saltwater abuse like a champ. The DuraDrag system gave us smooth, powerful resistance, and the hydrophobic line roller kept things corrosion-free. It's perfect for jigging, surf casting, or kayak fishing in harsh conditions. Check the description for the Slammer IV link. It's the saltwater tank that won't back down. Don't sleep on this one. The Viper X gave us 33 pounds of max drag, 10+1 shielded bearings, and a carbon fiber body, all for under $50. We tested it in both freshwater and saltwater, and it held up beautifully. The 6.2-to-1 gear ratio on the smaller models gave us fast retrieves, while the 5.2-to-1 on the larger sizes was perfect for slow presentations. It's ideal for beginners, weekend anglers, or anyone who wants solid performance without the premium price. Tap the description for the Viper X link. It's the reel that proves budget doesn't mean basic. From finesse to brute force, these spinning reels are the best we've tested in 2025. Whether you're chasing bass, battling saltwater giants, or just want a reliable reel for weekend trips, there's a perfect match here. Like, subscribe, and check the description for product links and best prices. Tight lines, and see you on the water.